Running a global business requires staying on top of ever-changing regulations, and that starts with keeping your business information current in platforms like Stripe. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change your commercial location in Stripe, ensuring you're compliant and ready to process payments smoothly. First, log into your Stripe account and navigate to the Settings section. You can usually find this on the left-hand side navigation menu, often symbolized by a gear icon. Within Settings, look for Business Settings and click on it. This will lead you to all of your business information. Here, you'll see your current registered business address. Locate the Edit button, typically positioned next to the address you want to update, and click it. Now, carefully enter your new commercial address in the provided form. Be sure to double-check that all the details, including the street address, city, state or province, and postal code, are accurate to avoid any issues with verification or compliance. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the new address, click the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the form. Stripe may require you to provide additional verification documents depending on the region you are changing the business address to. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your business address has been successfully updated, and that's it. You've now successfully changed your commercial location in Stripe. Keeping your business information up to date ensures smooth transactions and helps you remain compliant with local regulations, allowing you to focus on growing your business. So be sure to check back regularly.